Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making truffles. In my bowl I'm going to add dark chocolate, butter, and single cream. I'm now going to put it in the microwave for 4 times 30 seconds, stirring it in between each time. I'm now going to place a plate over the top and leave it to stand for 5 minutes. I'm now going to place it in the fridge for 6 hours along with a plate that I'm going to leave them on. It's been 6 hours and I now have my truffle mixture. In my bowls I have some desiccated coconut and some cocoa powder, but you can use any topping of your choice. I also have a ice block. You can just use a bowl of ice or really cold water. I'm going to first of all make my hands really cold so the chocolate doesn't melt and doesn't stick to my hands as much. I'm then going to take a small teaspoon of my mixture and I'm going to roll it into a ball. I'm now going to roll it into my cocoa powder, making sure I coat the whole thing, and leave it on my plate that I chilled in the fridge. I'm now going to do the exact same thing, but now roll it in the coconut. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.